Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 4,180 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and has been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust and pinstriping. It runs well, comes equipped with cruise control, and is powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch V-twin with a 6-speed transmission, putting out a respectable 105 foot-pounds of torque. This would be an excellent option for a rider looking for the stability of 3 wheels, but still enjoying the full motorcycling experience. It weighs in at 1,082 pounds and has a seat height of 26.9 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.